Former Strictly Come Dancing winner Stacey Dooley has taken to Instagram to reveal that she's bly gutted after being forced to cancel her show. The flame-haired star, 34, apologized profusely to her followers who had already bought tickets to attend her show, in conversation with Stacey Dooley, after the presenter told fans how hard she had tried to make the event happen. In view of her 995,000 followers, Stacey told of her heartbreak at being forced to postpone her tour dates. She wrote, "Gang, MBLY got it. Grrr," Stacey exclaimed. She went on to continue to apologize to ticket holders who had made plans around her show but now had to cancel them. Stacey added, "I know that people will have made travel arrangements and dinner plans and babysitters etc. so I really am sorry." The star told how she had explored all possibilities to make her show go ahead, but said that it wasn't possible under current restrictions. She continued, "I've been round and round the houses trying to make it somehow work, but certain restrictions and uncertainty, etc. mean it's just not possible to do it properly at the mo. Sick, sorry," she wrote alongside a kissing face emoji. "If you are happy to hold on to your ticket, amazing, I'll see you next time, if not completely understand and thank you for even buying it in the first place X," Stacey went on. The star ended her post by wishing her fans a lovely weekend. Stacey also shared a snap of an official announcement that confirmed her tour had been delayed. It read, "We're very sorry to inform you that our In Conversation with Stacey Dooley tour has been postponed. This is due to the ongoing situation with COVID-19. They went on to thank Stacey's fans for their understanding while promising to reschedule tour dates and organize refunds. According to the Fame Productions website, all of Stacey's tour dates across the country have been postponed. The tour was due to kick off at the Barbican Center on January 31 but has since been rescheduled. Just days ago, Stacey sparked concern from her fans who claimed to have spotted a huge mistake in her and Kevin Clifton's latest home renovation. She shared the status of the unfinished flooring, where the TV presenter posted a photo of the empty room with unfinished floorboards and insulation in view. Stacey was soon inundated with comments over her flooring, with Mark writing, "This is not how you lay flooring." While Agnieszka added, "Celotex should be fitted properly with no gaps. And use some foam in between if needed. Otherwise, what's the point of insulation if cold gets through the gaps?"